Hello beautiful Africans, amazing fashionistas, welcome back to Mother Bonita African Fashion and Style TV. I'm really enjoying this music. Yes guys, welcome back again to another wonderful episode of African Print Styles. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Ify. You are highly welcome to this wonderful amazing family. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? You are missing a whole lot. I mean a whole lot. My name is Ify. As I said earlier, I am a creative designer of African print styles. Any kind of dress you want to use for any of your special occasion, just ring your baby girl, I will give it to you. Also sew in my company and deliver to your destination. Okay, just ring your baby and one of my contacts in this video. Okay, please, without much ado, without much talk, today is another day of wonderful episode of African Print Styles, and this is my #1 style. Check it out. This is combination of lace. Combination of lace. This is net lace, and it's an expensive one. I don't know if you're seeing it. And Ankara. This is the Ankara that I use. This is the Ankara that I use. I use it for the passion work. This is the passion work. We cut this from this Ankara. As you can see, this is what we cut. I use it to do this passion work in this lace. Then we added the stones, and the stones are very strong one, not the one that can be easily fall off. Okay, a very beautiful strong stones. Look at the hand, the design. I designed this. Right now I am going to put it on so that you see how beautiful and magnificent this dress looks on my body, and after which I am going to show you guys how I tie the gele. That one not easy thing, I will tie it myself. Those that are tying it, they don't get two heads, they get one head like me. I'm going to show you guys how to tie it. Okay, so guys, keep watching, don't go anywhere. Guys, here we go. This is the inner, the black inner. This is the black inner, and here is the main dress. I think if you are able to combine, use another color from here to wear inside as the inner, is going to go also. Just choose the best color out of this material and use it. I'm not going to use it here. If I am to use another color, I would prefer red. But right away I am using black. I think black goes for all. Wow. Here we go, guys. Here we go. you, I am not an expert. Make una no laugh me. I am not an expert. Just doing her thing. Please guys, rate me from number 1 to 10. How do I look in this beautiful outfit of mine? Check it out. Your baby girl out. How do I look? Check out this style now. And guys, here is my second outfit of the day. This is Ankara long gown. Here is the front. Here is the front, and this is the back with this my beautiful zip, and here is the hand. It has a long hand and rope. Yeah, I'm going to put it on so that you will see the fitting. It also has 2 openings at the hand. I'm going to put it on now so that you see the beautiful fit. And here is the belt. Guys, check out my look. Look at this outfit. Check it out. Here is the hand, and this is another color, and this is another color. I so much love the combination of these outfits. And here is the hand. Here is the belt, the waist belt. Guys, let me show you guys another simple way to tie the scarf. The scarf is not too big. In a short time, let me show you how to tie it. Very fast and easy scarf. And here we go. Then pull the 2 here we go. Then you take it this way, take it this way, take it this way. This way, and here we go. Yes, my third outfit of the day is gonna be this. This is silk material and I use it to sew free gown. Here is the style with some button by the side of the neck. And here is the beautiful design on the hand. And it has long and short. Here is long. The back is longer than the front. The front is short one. Not that short, but the back is longer than the front. Okay, I'm going to put it on now so that you see the beautiful fitting it gives to me. Please guys, don't go away. Enjoy this video and tell me how you feel, how they are in the comment section. I truly appreciate. God bless you. See you guys. Guys, here is my third outfit of the day. How do I look? Guys, and here is the neck. Actually, it has how many buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 buttons by the neck side, and it's turtleneck. It has points here. I am so much in love with this outfit. It's very simple, and this is the hand. I love this outfit. It is all-weather outfit. You can use it during pregnancy. Even if you are heavily pregnant, you can use it. Let me try. If I'm heavily pregnant right now, I can use it. If I'm heavily pregnant, I can't use high heel. Right now, I am putting on high heel. I have to put on low shoe or low slippers. I am putting on low slippers. Here it is. Here we go. Guys, how do I look? This is fake pregnancy. How do I look, guys? And it's very beautiful. Okay guys, let me also wear high heels so that you can see the way it is. Appreciate all your comment. It will make me to know if I am doing the right thing or not. Please, I appreciate all your comments. comment, please. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your girl is coming up with another beautiful, short, beautiful Ankara dresses. Yummy, classic, elegant, stunning, and magnificent